लालू जी आप बताइए, because we are talking of cricket, you are head of Bihar Cricket Association. Some say you might become the president of the Indian Cricket Board one day. Would you support greater Indo-Pak ties? Because क्या हुआ है कि जब भी राजनीति आती है, the first casualty is cricket. कारगिल में लड़ाई हुई, Indo-Pak cricket stopped. आप क्या यहाँ दावे से कह सकते हैं कि इंडिया और पाकिस्तान के बीच में क्रिकेट मैचेस रुकने नहीं चाहिए?
बिल्कुल नहीं रुकना चाहिए. जो रुकता है वो देश का दुश्मन है, दोनों देश का. और बहुत अच्छा शुरुआत हुआ है. भारत के खिलाड़ी जब गए तो पाकिस्तान में जो उनका गर्मजोशी के साथ स्वागत किया लोगों ने, तो मैन टू मैन कांटेक्ट और खेल कूद और कल्चरल और ये संबंध अच्छे बनाने से हम जो दूरियां हैं आज भारत पाकिस्तान का, उसको हम बहुत नजदीक करके हम भविष्य में एक भी हो सकते हैं. लेकिन हम दोनों भाई एक हैं.
Shekhar Gupta, when a politician says this, Lalu Yadav is catering to a particular constituency, some will say. जब भाईचारे की बात करते हैं, we are all brothers. Are the politicians out of tune in that sense? There's no point talking too much also of brotherhood. We need to be pragmatic in dealing with Pakistan.
Well, I think you don't have to push it. You have to go with the flow. And if you look at the way the global flow now is, the idea of warfare over territory, over history, over religion is now over. It's passé. Over legacy is now passé. So neighbors have to learn to live together, and that's what's been happening. The compulsion of the global marketplace is catching up with India and Pakistan as well. It's a good sign.
Okay, let me then come to cinema, because cinema is the other thing that is seen to unite India and Pakistan. We asked Pakistan who their favorite Hindi film actors were. Now in joint second was Amitabh Bachchan with 12%. Also joint second was Salman Khan with 12%. But the overwhelming favorite for whatever reason was Shah Rukh Khan with 38%. So Shah Rukh Khan, that's why you've got to do Veer Zara. You see, you've got to act Amir in Veer Zara and life will change. We also asked Pakistan who their favorite Hindi film actress is. In joint second was Madhuri Dixit with 13%. She's still a star in Pakistan. Then was Rani Mukherjee with 13%. Number one was Aishwarya Rai with 26%. Amit, do you believe that, as we are seeing here, that Pakistanis find Indian cinema stars in particular, people they look up to? Is that something you'd like to build on?
It's not a question of building on or not. I think that certainly what entertains you, no matter which country you're from, when an entertainer entertains you, you enjoy that, and that person becomes a favorite for you. And I think that I don't think the boundaries of countries apply there.
Okay, let me put. I saw the 1996 World Cup final in Lahore, and there was a poster there, in Pakistan. Madhuri de do, Kashmir le lo.
And I think you've never forgotten that, Raj.
Are you going to? Do you want that? Is that serious? Please. Or you want Lalu Prasad le lo, Kashmir le lo?
I think this boys' discourse is dominating the entire narrative, not just of the program, but also of how we are shaping things and relations between India and Pakistan. This even cricket becoming a war, a playing field. This is all boys' narrative. The rest of the world has moved on. It's moved on to a new language. And when you speak
what is this language?
Unifications, you speak of common markets, you speak of culture. You don't speak of cultural dominance. You speak of multipolarity.
So you think businessmen, for example, could work out a common market?
Trade is it's a huge mover. And I think, yes, of course we can work out, but the states also have to put their weight behind it just as much as the people have to put their weight behind it. And I think they're willing to do that.
Lalu ji, धंधा करेंगे पाकिस्तान से?
नहीं, ट्रेड को बढ़ावा मिलना चाहिए. ट्रेड से दोनों राष्ट्र की उन्नति और तरक्की होगी, और ट्रेड को बढ़ाने के लिए ही नहीं, दोनों राष्ट्र के लोगों के बीच भाईचारा कायम करने के लिए पहले से समझौता एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन चल रही थी, और हमने थार एक्सप्रेस चला के दिखा दिया. और गाड़ी भी हमारा संबंध दोनों देश को हम लोग जोड़ रहे हैं.
अच्छा, तो यानी आज के दिन के लिए माधुरी को छोड़ दे, रेलगाड़ी से काम चलेगा.
We don't trade women and countries.
Okay, fair enough.
Let's put it that.
Yeah. Okay, fair enough. The train between India and Pakistan could achieve perhaps more than even cinema and cricket can. That's a good reason to have the rail minister here with us. We'll take a break at this point. After that, the more serious questions. Economic conditions and political empowerment. Has India moved ahead of Pakistan? and what does that mean for the future of this relationship? Much more on this very special State of the Nation.